Hi there. I got an project example test that how can we build a project that can download any React repositories. Like this project was given by the Abu Anwar in Facebook. So let's see my project works or not. I already open my two profile. One is JavaScript for everything and another one is Ruby 10. Let's see that our project works or not. Let's refresh my page. Now if I type my valid GitHub username like this one, Ruby 10, if I copy my username and type here like or paste, if I search, I can see my all the repositories available here. If I go to my repositories, I will see that all my repositories here. So let's download one repository, for example the API. If I click this button, I can see my repository downloaded. I can see the entire repository is downloaded. Let's check out another repository from the another user like JavaScript for everything. Now if I click this button, I can see my new repositories from the JavaScript for everything. Let's download another repository, for example Netters, this project. If I click this button, actually this repository is little bit large. You can see my download speed appears in my bottom my taskbar. So now my repository is downloaded. If I open, I can see my repository. If I go to my download folder, I can see two repositories downloaded. Now let's see one repository downloaded by the Abu Anwar. So let's copy his username from the GitHub and go to my project and paste his name. If I click this button, I can see his repository appears. Let's download another one like Auto Skin 2. Now I can see his repository also downloaded. If I go to my project directory, I can see 3 directories downloaded. Let's see the code. For example, actually I deploy this repository in my what is the name, this one. Actually this is my full code. If you go to this project, you will get the entire project. I have two folder for frontend and backend. In frontend I use the next.js 13 and in backend I use the Express application. So if I go to my, I can see that my in left side I have my next.js application is running, and in my right side in my left side my Express application running, in my right side my next.js frontend application running. So hopefully the Abu Anwar, actually this project is built on for the Abu Anwar. He gave this test. Actually this test was in a project Facebook post, but I forgot the name of the project, but I have a screenshot, so I will mail him this project too. So if you want to know how I did that, you can check out my repository. So thanks.